Hello everyone, welcome to Elliott Wave Forex.com YouTube channel. My name is Henry and today is Tuesday, December the 10th, 2019. The time is 5:30 a.m. GMT. So today we are looking at the chart of Apple. This is a short-term chart, 15 minutes time frame here. We can see this pullback to 256 ended with 4, which means we are in the last final move here in the Apple, okay, within the wave 5, and we are calling this one this rally here as with 1 of 5. So this rally here ended with 1 of 5, and we should be looking for a pullback now. It can unfold in 7 swing, a double zigzag, and as far as this pullback here stays above 256, Apple has a chance to extend higher again. Now, first of all, because the momentum remains bullish still, that means this leg may not even necessarily have to happen. Okay, so alternate this wave 2 could have ended here, and we can start to rally higher from where we are as well. Now, if we look at the larger degree though, we need to keep in mind, since we are in the last leg within the wave 5, so in a way it can get quite risky to keep chasing it to the upside. If we look at the larger degree, and this is a partial view of the daily chart of Apple, so I put down the 4 here, which is this 4 in blue, right? 4 here, and so the rally from August, the 5th low, is looking impulsive, right? It is looking impulsive, as we can see right here, and this is a possible count for it, in which you got a 1 and 2. Okay, and then now 3 and 4. Now, because this one has already made a more or less a new high, right? A new high above the previous high here. So technically we could also end the wave 5 here, right? So we have enough number of swing. We could also end the wave 5. But of course, it looks to be, if this count is correct, then of course this count here looks that the wave 5 looks a little bit too short, and so that's why there is still scope for another leg higher in Apple. Okay, so again, I think the idea is there is no sign that we have already topped out in Apple, and so picking the top always is going to be very risky and also not a good idea. But at the same time, we need to keep in mind, at the same time, in the shorter cycle, that we are within the wave 5 already. So you can, for example, adjust the count a little bit here and there, and even call it, let's say if you do it this way, which means that we are nesting. In this case, we have a 1, 2, and then we have another 1, 2 here. All right, and this is a flat, and then here is a 3, 4. So technically you can even do something like this as well. So 3, 4. So you have a nest, and then you could sorry, the 5 is here, and then you got a flat here, 4, and then 5, right? So you also can have something like this, in which case if that's the case, then again we would have ended the cycle, and then we would have gotten a bigger 3S pullback, right? But still, the momentum and everything else still favors more upside. And for the shorter cycle view, as far as this level here, this pivot is holding, we can still extend higher for the last push higher within the wave 5. But if this pivot gives up, then basically we have ended this cycle as a 5 waves from August the 5th, and then do the bigger pullback in 3 waves. All right, so that's what we're looking in Apple. Even if we do get a bigger pullback, it still continue to be bullish, because the cycle has been bullish, right? It continues to make a higher high, and even if we do get a bigger pullback in the shorter cycle, then still remains bullish for now. So if you enjoyed this video, please do like and subscribe and our channel, and also I will provide the link to get more information about our service in the description of the video below. See you all again tomorrow, and have a nice day, everyone.